How about we draw this mechanical part that we see in front of us? It looks a little bit complicated, but we're gonna go through this. So first we go on new day, knowing that the dimensions are a millimeter, go standard metric, millimeter, then go create. So in here we're gonna start with a rectangle, or let's say with rectangles. So I'll start with the first one, okay, the second one, and the third one. All right, so this is gonna be faster and easier for us. So that's one, they need to be 65 millimeters, okay, and the second one need to be 55 millimeter. The third one need to be 32 millimeter, 32, and that's one they need to be 116, okay, 116. This one here need to be 80, and the last one now need to be 50, okay. So we need to make sure that these lines here correspond with that point that we see here, you know, as our center. So that's one gonna be 25. Don't worry about that, everything gonna be in order. So this one here gonna be 40, okay, so that's gonna be 40, and the last one from the up to the, that one will be 58, okay, as half of 116, okay. So now once I have this one place, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go for this part here, okay. So for that part, I'm gonna draw a circle. So there is my circle, okay. So there is my circle, and I need to make sure that this one here is 40 millimeter. That is almost 40. So for 0, and I need now just to make sure about that. So this one need to be in line with that one. It's in line. It is in line. Okay. And then I'm gonna go for a rectangle. I need to have a rectangle here. There is my rectangle, and this one here need to be from the up to the, it need to be 8 millimeter. So that one need to be 8 millimeter, and the from the to the, it need to be 16, okay. So that's one they need to be 16. And once I have those one, I'm gonna go for another rectangle. So this one here, this rectangle here need to be having that side here, that side need to be 54, sorry, 54, and this other side here, it's fine, we know what it is, it's 10, okay. So we don't need about that side. And from the up to the need to be half of 54, which is 27. So 27, okay. Have that one in place. So now I'm gonna go to trim. So I need to trim this part here, okay, as many times as I can. So then I need to trim that one as well, and I need to trim here, okay, that one, okay. So once I have that one, oh I forgot, I need to trim this one as well. I need to trim the here, there again, and I need to trim this here, okay. I had 4 rectangle, so I need to make sure that I trim the. So now you have the frame, you have to remember to remove this one. So now you have your frame, the frame of your drawing. Now you can go in 3D model. So now you go 3D model, and you click on extrude. So you need to extrude this front part here, okay, by 30 millimeter, by 30 millimeter. And then once you have it that way, you come on here, you right click, and then you say visibility. Once the visibility is on, you can see what I'm seeing now. So you come again, you click on extrude. So you need to extrude this part here, okay. So this one and that one, so you need to extrude it by 15 millimeter, not 30, by 15 millimeter, okay. So that is 15, okay, that is 15 as the way it is here. Then you come back again, you click on extrude again, You click on extrude again. So you come here, you need to extrude this part here. Now, which part did I say? Oh, that was the right part. So you need to extrude this part here. Okay, so now the other side around, the other way around, sorry. And now by 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters. So you don't have to forget the half circle there. That part as well need to be extruded by 20 millimeter. So the other side, okay, the other way. So you click and say okay. So now your drawing is done. Your drawing is done. To make it look tidy, what you can do, you need to come back here and then you right click again, you remove the visibility. Okay, so you need now to draw the chamfer as it is here. I'm having chamfer here. Okay, and that's one day you can calculate the angle if you want, but you can make it easier by just choosing the chamfer with 2 dimensions. Okay, with 2 distances, better 2 distances. So you click on the, and I need to make sure that it goes one side by 18. Which side by 18? No, so this side need to be at 45 there. 45. If you want to get the angle, you take tangent 10 of 18 over 45. So that's one by 18. And then I'm having that one like that. Alright, so I come this other side, I do the same thing on that corner. So I click on the chamfer there. Then now remember, this is different. The X and the Y, wherever the direction. So you click the 18, then you come here, you say 45 millimeters. So it goes down with 45 millimeters, come inside with 18 millimeters. You say okay. So now that you finish your drawing, you can see how beautiful it looks. It looks beautiful. So now you can choose now the material. Myself, I always enjoy putting my stuff in gold. Gold is expensive, knowledge is expensive. Okay, so this is done and you can see how beautiful it looks now. So I was asked in one of my videos by some students how to do this. So look, this is your bonus. So you come in here, it's about the arc. Okay, the way I was doing the arc. So what you can do this. Okay, and you make sure that this one maybe need to be 25 millimeter. Okay, 25 millimeter. Okay, you see what I'm doing? And you can trim this part if you don't know that. Now if you want an arc of a 25 millimeter radius, you can easily do this. Okay, you click on the line there. Now you click there, you hold the line and then you go with it, you bend it. You see, you bend it, then you have your arc there. Okay, then you have your arc there. Okay, you can do the same thing here. So you can do this, you bend it, you have the arc there. So it's not a big issue. Okay, to my friends, my student friends who were asking me about this. Okay, so easily check it out. You can do this again, repeat again. You touch on the line there, you hold it, you bend it, right? And if you have some doubts about the dimension, you can give it dimension. You can say this one here need to be let's say 8 millimeter. You can say 8 millimeter, right? 8 millimeter, then it's gonna be 8 millimeter. You can make sure about that one as well. Can solve this one from day to day need to be 8. It is 8. Escape, you know, let's say how much is that one? 25. So that one needs to be 12 and a half. That is 12 and a half. This idea, what is that? 12 and a half. Okay, so I don't know if you can call this a trick or something. So whatever you call it, as long as it's useful to you, that's what matters to me. Alright, so it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, wherever you find the button, actually it's gonna be just here at your right hand side there. Yeah, somewhere there. It's gonna be written subscribe, or it's gonna be written my name, JJL Jr. So you click on there, you subscribe to this channel. I don't want you guys to miss whatever that you're gonna post in this video. So click on there and touch the bell button to be notified every time we post something new on this video, on this channel, sorry. So take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.